friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the ASUS TUF Game VG279QMY 27-inch Fast IPS gaming LCD. So friend, ASUS has launched the 27-inch Full HD gaming liquid crystal display TUF Gaming VG279QMY, and friend, the display has a fast IPS panel, and friend, it is a high performance model with a refresh rate of 280Hz and a response time of 1 millisecond GtoG, and its display synchronization technology is the NVIDIA G-Sync compatible. And friend, additionally it features extreme low motion blur sync capability that combines display synchronization technology with motion blur reduction. And friend, the primary specification are brightness of 400 cadmium per meter square, contrast ratio of 1000 gamut, display color gamut of 16.7 million colors, color gamut of 100% sRGB, horizontal or vertical viewing angle of 178 degree, high dynamic range compliance with Display HDR 400, and friend, the interface supports DisplayPort 1.2x1, HDMI 2.0x2, and built-in stereo speaker with a power output of 2W x 2, and friend, stands features the tilt range of -5 to 33 degrees, swivel range of -90 to 90 degrees, pivot range of -90 to 90 degrees, and a height range of 0 to 130 mm. And friend, the external measurements are 619.4 mm in width, 211.37 mm in depth, and 506.73 mm in height, and friend, it weighs about 5.6 kg. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.